Hello guys, this is a tutorial on how to enable dark mode on your iPhone. Now the option for dark mode should already be available in the control center, and it's right here, this icon over here. So you just click it to enable dark mode, and then my phone is automatically on dark mode. Then you can check out the apps, you can see everything is on dark mode. Then to turn it off, you just have to do the same thing. You have to toggle the switch, toggle it back off, and that's it, dark mode is off. Okay, now for those of you that don't have the option to enable your dark mode already available in your control center, it's so easy. Just all you have to do is just head over to the settings on your phone. Then you can search for the option called control center. If you click on that, then up here you're going to see the included controls. These are the options that are already available in your current control center. Then down here you see the options to add more shortcuts. So you just have to find the option called dark mode. Then you click on the plus sign over there, then it's added, then automatically it becomes available over here. So you can see that the icon, the last icon on my own screen. So click on that and your dark mode is enabled. It's that simple. So as far as I can tell, this option is currently available in all models of iPhone, ranging from iPhone 6 to the current model is in the market. So you can leave a comment below if you have any other questions about your iPhone or any other tips or trick you might want to know. Also, please be generous enough to leave a like and subscribe.